We hear from our customers that there are two main things that are really important to them. The first is the utilization of their fleet, so making sure that they are getting the maximum amount of usage out of every vehicle. The second is their customer satisfaction scores. They want to make sure that their customers are happy, so they keep coming back. If there are odors in a vehicle, guaranteed your customer satisfaction scores are going to be lower.
Vehicles have odors in them, and these odors have a variety of different areas they come from. It could be mold, it could be a spilled milk. There's a million different things that cause odors in vehicles. Post-pandemic, this has become a much more acute challenge for everybody. Everyone's more tuned into odors around vehicles. Ultimately, we found that the best chemical for getting rid of odors is chlorine dioxide.
Chlorine dioxide operates on biological substances to reduce the amount of smells that they're generating. So things like cigarette smoke, cannabis, food spills, stuff in the back seat. It works against those by oxidizing those biologicals and removes the source of the odor. Processing vehicles and deodorizing them, you really want to make sure that the technicians doing those services can safely do that without breathing in the gas.
That is one of the main reasons why we created the Smart Tumbler, is to make sure that we are able to deodorize vehicles, remove odors in a safe, efficient, and easy to use way.
We wanted to make sure that we were getting lots of feedback from both our technicians and our customers. And one of the things that we got back from them is they wanted to make sure the device could operate on battery power. So Smart Tumbler is designed to work off a battery that can be charged overnight, and it can do multiple services throughout the day, making it really easy for you to do that. Another thing that we designed Smart Tumbler in mind is how quickly you can move the device from car to car.
You could imagine having 2 or 10 Smart Tumblers running in parallel in a line. 1 or 2 technicians can literally do hundreds of treatments a day in a very efficient way. So the efficiency is really important because everyone knows time is money.
One of the things that we found early on was it needed to last a long time. Chlorine dioxide, using it every day, deodorizing lots of vehicles, we wanted to make sure that the device would continue working.
It's repeatable, it's consistent, so they can see it in their data. Once they start using the Smart Tumbler and treating vehicles, the number of complaints about odors just falls off a cliff.
The Spiffy Smart Tumbler is a cost-effective way to eliminate odors and increase your customer satisfaction scores. The end result is an effective clean that makes any vehicle smell brand new.